Welcome back, folks. Today we're diving into a project that not only enhances the beauty of your home, but also stands the test of time. We're talking about zinc, a material celebrated for its durability and sleek appearance. Zinc cladding can last well over 30 years, making it a fantastic investment for any homeowner. Zinc isn't just modern, it's steeped in history. Used extensively across Europe, particularly in the Netherlands, zinc has been a go-to material for roofers and architects for centuries. Its popularity stems from its versatility and longevity. From standing seam roofs to intricate facade details, zinc can be molded into just about any shape and size, making it ideal for custom projects like the one we're tackling today. As you can see, I'm starting off by cleaning the zinc sheets. It's crucial to start with a clean slate, so I'm using a water vacuum to suck up any dirt and debris. This ensures that we have a pristine surface to work with, which is key for a flawless installation. Zinc's appeal isn't just in its functionality. This material is beautiful, with a charm that evolves over time. As zinc weathers, it develops a unique patina, a kind of protective layer that not only enhances its resistance to corrosion, but also adds a visually striking aesthetic that ages gracefully. While I continue with the cleaning, let's talk about some of the techniques involved in working with zinc. Today, we're using a technique known as the fold and tuck method, which is perfect for ensuring that each piece fits tightly and seamlessly. This method involves careful measuring and precise cutting, which I'll get to shortly. But first, another interesting fact about zinc: it's incredibly sustainable. Recycling zinc requires less energy compared to many other metals, and the majority of the zinc available today is recycled. This makes zinc not only a choice that's good for your home, but also good for the planet. All right, now that our zinc is ready and clean, I'm beginning to measure and cut. Accurate measurements are critical here because they ensure that the zinc sheets align perfectly with the balcony's dimensions. Each cut needs to be exact to maintain the integrity and aesthetic of the final installation. Next up, soldering. Soldering zinc involves a delicate balance. You need the right amount of heat. Too much and you risk melting through the sheet. Too little and the solder won't hold. I'm using a 50-50 solder here, which is ideal for achieving a strong, durable bond. As we progress with our project, let's dive into some of the critical techniques that ensure our zinc cladding is not only secure, but also functional. Right now, I'm attaching the zinc sheets by creating solder joints every 5 millimeters. This isn't just about sticking pieces together. It's about ensuring a tight seal and achieving what we call a capillary action. This method helps the zinc sheets to bond closely, preventing water ingress and allowing the material to expand and contract smoothly. Zinc's ability to expand when heated is significant, especially during soldering. These solder joints help accommodate that expansion, preventing warping or buckling under temperature changes. It's a small detail, but crucial for the longevity and effectiveness of the cladding. Another important aspect of working with zinc is how it's mounted. You might notice I'm not directly fixing the zinc to the structure. Instead, I use special hooks that allow the zinc to float. This installation method lets the zinc expand and contract without constraint, essential for durability, especially in windy conditions. It's all about letting the material breathe and move while ensuring it stays put. Let's take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship behind the materials we use. Zinc is produced through a process of mining, grinding, and then heating zinc-containing materials to extract the pure metal. This metal is then refined, often rolled into sheets, which we use for projects like this one. It's a material that not only offers longevity, but also a distinctive aesthetic with its ability to develop a protective patina over time. While zinc is a fantastic choice for cladding, it's interesting to note that copper is another metal that's often used in architectural applications, especially for gutters and in monumental buildings. Copper, like zinc, is known for its durability and the beautiful patina it develops as it ages. However, it's generally more expensive and thus less common for larger surface areas like we're working with today. Unfortunately, despite its benefits, the use of zinc is on the decline, which is a real shame. Alternatives are available, and while they may serve the purpose, in my opinion, none match zinc's optimal balance of durability, malleability, and aesthetic appeal. Zinc remains the best choice for projects that aim to combine functionality with a visually appealing finish. It's crucial that we continue to acknowledge and utilize materials like zinc that not only stand the test of time, but also provide that extra level of craftsmanship to architectural projects. It's materials like these that ensure our structures not only stand up, but stand out. While I solder these joints, it's worth mentioning that zinc work requires a steady hand and a keen eye for detail. It's these fine touches that make or break a project. And speaking of fine touches, let's not forget about finishing. After all the joints are secured, I apply a finish that enhances the zinc's natural resistance to the elements and maintains its aesthetic appeal. Over here, you see me crafting a custom-sized drainage outlet. I've positioned the drain at the lowest point of the balcony to ensure optimal water flow. Proper drainage is key to preventing water accumulation and potential damage. And in this section, I'm using LED flashing to waterproof the upstands. I've inserted the lead into the joint, about 4 cm deep, and then meticulously shaped and sealed it to ensure it's watertight. This step is vital for protecting the structure against water penetration, ensuring that everything stays dry and secure underneath. Each of these steps might seem intricate, and they are. Zinc cladding is as much an art as it is a craft, requiring precision, patience, and a deep understanding of the material's properties. But the result? A beautiful, long-lasting, and functional installation that enhances the building's aesthetic and performance. Thanks for sticking with us through this detailed walkthrough of cladding a balcony with zinc. This material isn't just functional, it's a statement of style and sustainability. If you've got questions or want to see more about ZincWorks, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment. We've got plenty more projects and tips to share. See you next time.